Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a performance report for Francisco in Wisconsin on this RCI-2995dx CF. Francisco, appreciate your business at www.truckcbsales.com. We're going to get right to it. You selected just the tune alignment, 250 watt slug, average power. I'll show you that first with the our power all the way down. We got it set at 5 watts so that if you decide to run an amplifier, you have full adjustability. And it turns up to 40 watts. Let me show you average power swing. Low. So we got about 120 watts of bird average. 500 watt slug, I'm going to show you peak power. Low. About 235, 240 peak. Alright, Francisco, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoyed it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.